Mention the essential material, that is chemicals, to prepare soap in laboratory. Describe in brief the test of determining the nature, that is acidic or alkaline, of the reaction mixture of saponification reaction. In order to produce soap in a laboratory, we will be requiring vegetable oil, fat, and sodium hydroxide. Soap is prepared by by heating animal fat or vegetable oil with concentrated sodium hydroxide, because they are the primary requirements of saponification. When fat and oil are mixed with sodium hydroxide and heated, which in turn produces soap with glycerol. This process of making soap is known as saponification. And over to answering the second part of this question, to determine the nature of reaction mixture, we can use litmus paper test. Whenever a red litmus paper is dipped into the reaction mixture, the paper changes its color to blue, which represents the saponification reaction is basic in nature, that is, it is alkaline in nature.